have for you today the show villa for Nad al Sheba Gardens by Meraas. As you enter over here, you have your first room, which is a small majlis, which has been made over here. Then, as we walk into your living, you have a common bathroom. It's a guest bathroom right here. You have your elevator right here. Your garden is on the outside over there, surrounding your villa. This is the open area inside. That's your kitchen setup. And inside is also a small room, which is like a maid room with its ensuite bathroom as well. All your white goods would be positioned right here. Exit the lift. This is your first floor, as you can see right here. So you've got double height over here. Entering into the first bedroom right here. Spacious bedroom with a gorgeous view, 3.2 meter tall heighted ceilings, cabinets, walk-in wardrobe, his and her facility, your shower room, the toilet, and your bathtub right here. And there is also one more common bathroom right here with the toilet, the sink, and a tub right here. Right next to it is another bedroom with the wardrobe and the bedroom. And there you go. This is another bedroom with its wardrobe attached. Again, 3.2 meter long tall ceiling. And that's your elevator. Your second floor. As you exit the elevator, you've got a small sink right here with a massive balcony on the outside, as you see. And your final bedroom right here, largest one. Walk-in wardrobe, built-in cabinets, and your bathroom. The toilet, the sink, the mirror, and right there inside is the shower. And you've got your stairs right here. So we are in the master bedroom right now, and most important thing is have a look. So this is the villas that are going to come up. This is going to be covered by lush greenery. So it's going to be very beautiful, very serene, very peaceful and calm. And most importantly, if you notice that, that's the Dubai skyline right there. So what's important is that's the Burj Khalifa right there. So you could be sitting inside your villa and you'd be enjoying the view of the Dubai skyline, sipping your cup of coffee.